Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create this amazing fully responsive login and sign up form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is beginner friendly, simple to follow, and by the end of this video, you will have your own working login sign up form with some cool background effects. So without any delay, let's begin the video. First, let's set up our project folder. Go to your desktop and create a new folder. You can name it whatever you like. I am going to call it login form. Now open this folder in VS Code. Inside this folder, let's create three files: index.html, style.css, and script.js file. Perfect, our basic setup is ready. Step 2: preparing the preview. Before we start writing code, let's open the index.html file in our browser so we can preview our changes as we build. Go to your folder, right click on index.html and open it in your browser. As you can see, there is nothing here yet because we have not written any code. Step 3: how I will show the code. For the better clarity and to make sure you understand every step, I will be using a separate coding viewer that will display the code step by step on the screen. This will help you easily follow along. Make sure you write the code in your VS Code to get hands-on practice. It is the best way to learn. Step 4: starting with HTML. Now let's start with the HTML part. This is where we will build the structure of our login and sign up form. HTML is like the skeleton of our project. It helps us arrange all the elements like form, button, and text field in the right place. Think of it as building the frame of a house. Everything starts here. Once we finish the HTML, let's preview it in the browser. You can now see the form, but it is not responsive yet. Also, the login, sign up and switch button are not working. Step 5: adding JavaScript for functionality. Next, let's move on to JavaScript. This is where we will bring the form to life and make everything work. JavaScript is like the brain of our project. It handles the behavior, like what should happen when we click the button, how the form should switch, and many more. Without JavaScript, our form is just a picture. JavaScript make it interactive and smart. In JavaScript, we will add functionality to the button, create a pop-up notification when the login button is clicked, enable switching between login and sign up form. We will also add a beautiful background animation with floating stars to make the project look even more attractive. Let's preview the project now. Now you can see login and sign up buttons are working. The pop-up is showing. Switch to sign up is working. The background animation looks awesome. Step 6: styling with CSS. Finally, it's time to make the project look beautiful with CSS. This is where we add the style, color and responsiveness. CSS is the design part. It's like painting and decorating our house. It controls how everything looks: colors, layout, spacing, animation, and most importantly, it makes the form responsive so it looks great on all devices. After writing the CSS, let's preview it. Now you can see the form looks amazing. It's fully responsive. All functionality is working perfectly. Step 7. Connecting the files. Let's quickly go over how to connect all files. Open your HTML file in VS Code to connect CSS to HTML. Add this line inside the head tag. To connect JavaScript to HTML. Add this line before closing body tag. Now when you connected index.html, everything will be fully connected and working. So that's it for today. We successfully built a responsive login sign up form with working buttons, a smooth pop-up and beautiful background animation. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and drop a comment on what you did like me to build next. Your feedback really helped me to create more useful content for you. Until then, keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.